Hello everyone, welcome to Disam Academy online classes. Myself Vivi Gupta. Today with topic division of decimals for class 7 in subject mathematics chapter 3 in video part 4. Here students, through example number 1, understand how to divide a decimal by 10,000. Here to divide number 3709.6 by 10,000, you can make a fraction like this 3709.6 upon 10,000. In such cases, when you have to divide any decimal by 1000 or 10 by 100 by 1 lakh by 10 lakh, simply you can divide and find the quotient like this here. You will write all the digits in the divisor given in the place of quotient. In the place of quotient, write 3, 7, 0, 9 and 6. In the place of quotient, in such case, you will write all the digits given in the dividend. But this is not your answer, this is not your quotient. See, you have to divide here 3709.6 by 1000. So in the quotient, your decimal will shift after 3 places when you divide by 10,000. आप जब 10,000 से डिवाइड करोगे तो आपका यहाँ जो decimal दिख रहा है, ये decimal 3 places shift हो जाएगा from right side to the left side. So you see, as given decimal is between 9 and 6, but here in quotient decimal will not be between 9 and 6. Decimal will shift 3 places from right to left. राइट से लेफ्ट में 3 places शिफ्ट हो जाएगा और आपका decimal यहाँ से यहाँ आ जाएगा. Means 3 decimal 7096 is the quotient in such case. So you saw decimal shifted from right to left up to 3 places, from here to here. In this way, you can divide in such cases very easily. So your quotient is 3.7096. And repeating again, in such case, when you divide any decimal by 10 or by 100 or by 10,000 or 10,000, 100,000, so to write the quotient shortly, you will put all the digits of divisor in the dividend, all the digits of dividend in the place of quotient, and you will shift the decimal up to the places just equal to the number of zeros here, as the number of zeros in 1000, 3 zeros, so you shift a decimal up to 3 places from right to left, up to 3 places. So keep in mind how to shift decimal in such case to find out the right quotient. Now in example number 2, see how to divide this decimal by a whole number 12. Divide by 12, 39.168. In such case, you will divide like this, and you know that in this decimal, the whole number is 39. This whole number 39 can be divided by 12. How many times? In 3 times. 12 3 are 36. Subtract, you get here 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Now you have to take down one digit, but taking down this one, you have to face this decimal. इस decimal को face करने के बाद ही आप कोई digit आगे उतारेंगे. तो यहाँ decimal face कैसे करना है? इस decimal को shift कर देना है. यहाँ in the place of quotient, you will shift this decimal. And now take down single digit 1 below. Now you have 31 here. To divide by 12. To divide in 2 times. Subtract 24. 11 minus 4. 7. Take down 6. Take down 6 now. Now you have to 76 to divide by 12. 3 times. 12. 6 jar. 72. Subtract 72 and get here 4. Now take down 8 here and 12 4 jar. 48. Remainder 0. So this is your answer. 3.2426.4. This is your answer. This is your question, required question. Now see this example. You have to divide 2.32 by 16. Divide 2.32 by 16. You have to keep in mind when your divisor is a whole number, you can divide such way. Here your divisor was 12 number, you divided in the same way. In the same way here you can divide because your division is whole number. And in the dividend you can see, in the dividend you have a decimal, and this 2 is whole number part. You know that the decimal has 2 parts, whole number part and decimal number part. So here 2 is whole number and this 2 cannot be divided by 16 because 2 is smaller than 16. So how to start division? To start division here, you will shift this decimal in the place of quotient here. Now you have 2, 3, 2. You shifted decimal here. Now no value of decimal here. decimal आपने यहाँ से शिफ्ट कर दिया, यहाँ decimal नहीं है. 232 है. 232 को आप 16 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आप 16 बन जाए 16. 23 में से 16 निकाल दीजिए तो 13 minus 6 here 9. 13 minus 6 7. And take down this 2 below. 16. How many times you will divide 72 by 16? 16 4 ja 64. Now subtract 64, you will get 8 here, and no more digits to take down here. Then what will you do? Listen. You have shifted decimal already in place of quotient. So with the credit of this decimal, you can take 1 0 here. And now 80 is divisible by 16 5 times. And you completed the division process, and your answer is decimal 145. This is your answer. Decimal 145. Now, say example number 4. Divide decimal 0018 by decimal 0.09. Here you have to divide a decimal by a decimal. How to do this? Let us see. Write division fact. According to question, we will write division fact 0.0018 divided by 0.09. In such case, your pattern will change. When you divide a decimal by a decimal, so write a division fact and change the decimal into fraction. Very easily you can do it. Here 1/8 upon 10,000 divided by 9 upon 100. You change this divisor into decimal or into fraction, and this dividend also into fraction. Now you can simplify. You know how to divide a fraction by a fraction. So recall that rule. How to divide a fraction by a fraction. 18 upon 10,000 multiply 100 upon 9. So here 20 cancel by 20, 9 1 are 9, 9 2 are 18. Through simplification you get 2 1 are 2 multiply 1 upon 100 multiply 1. So 2 upon 100, and you know such type of fraction where the denominator is 100 can be converted into decimal base easily. Decimal 0, 0 decimal 0 2. This is your answer. Check it again. To divide, in such case you have to change the dividend and divisor both into fractions and follow the rule of division. In case of dividend is a fraction, dividend is a fraction. So in this case, you know, when you change this division into multiplication, you write the reciprocal of divisor like this and simplify or find the product of these two fractions and find the result 0 decimal 02. Now see this example number 5. This is a word problem based on decimal. A car covers 108 decimal 9 km in 1.8 hours. What is the average speed of car? You know, to find average speed there is a formula. Write the formula. Average speed is equal to distance upon time. You divide the covered distance by time to find out average speed. So using this formula you can find the result. Put 108 decimal 9 in the place of distance, and time taken is 1.8 hours. To divide this, you can convert this into a decimal fact. 108 decimal 9 divided by 1 decimal 8. Change both dividend and divisor into fraction. 108 decimal 9 1089 upon 10 divided by here 18 upon 10. Now divide this fraction by this fraction. You know the rule. 1089 upon 10 multiply 10 upon 18. 10 cancel by 10 and divide this 1089 by 18 to find the final result. 1089 upon 18 results. So divide this here. Through long division process, find your answer. First of all, write the next step. 1089 upon 18 divide 1089 by 18. 18 6 108. You subtract, get zeros, take down 9 below. You know that this 9 is divisible by 18 how many times? 0 times. 18 0 is 0. Subtract 0 and your 9 is remainder. Shift decimal here, increase 1 0 on the right of 9 and divide 95 times. 18 is equal to 90. Subtract, get remainder 0. In this way, through long division, you get 60.5, and this is the average speed, 60.5 km per